Hey YouTube, so I came back again with the next video to show you guys like get ready with me really quick here. It's gonna be kind of a muted video in a way because I just want you guys to really focus on like what I'm doing pretty much and not really hear my voice because I know I chit chat and get distracted. Can't get these words out of my mouth. Get distracted pretty much. But like, subscribe, tell me what you think, comment. Oh, I was burning something. The curling iron is still on and I make it touch the plastic. Oh shit. Anyways, see, nearly burned down the place. But I hopefully you guys were entertained. Also too, boom, you see this unit? Yes, the highlights, the orange, the flirtes, the waves, the curls, whatever you want to call it. Guess what? I did it. Yes, Chin X Lace. That is me. Ho, hey, look at that baby. Anyways, for wing installs, please let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Also go to my YouTube. You are my YouTube, duh. Go to my Instagram, Chin X Lace, CHINX Lace, LACE. See some stuff, interesting pricing, so forth. And shout out to yacht guys, cause guess what, baby? We're going on the yacht today. Hey. So you have to get a full glamorous look on the water. Yes. Oh my god, bro, look at this fucking curl, bitch. I had to pause this move. Wait, time out. Let me not even move. Hold on. Oh my god, look. You're such a chick. Everybody knows he did the video half naked. Duh, he just put a shirt on. And did it, yeah. Too late, it's already in there. Yeah, I can, but the intro is kind of cute. They don't know you're doing the video half naked. Thanks. Already, you know, head up is what we are focused on right now.
It's only 5 of them.
Yes, let's cover the mustache, the quotation marks, all that above. In my head, I'm saying, I'm too sexy for my shirt. Hey, let's do my hair. Lord. Swing that dick in my direction. Oh. Hey. Just you and me, I said, oh, that is like it's ooh, I suck it to me, suck it to me.
When they say my name, talk more jump, but won't look my way. She's a bitch. See, I got more cheese. Back on up while I roll up. She's a bitch. You can't see me, Joe. Get on down while I shoot my flow. She's a bitch. When I do my thing, got the place on fire, burn it down to flame.
Give some other cups here. Like 2, 9, 10. Actually, no, wait. All right,